This is a Jets GPS Fleet Solutions client tutorial on the Jets GPS Fleet Tracker system. This is focusing on another of the features on the mapping that you might not know about that are quite helpful and speed things up. We'll do a separate tutorial on setting up zones and so on. But if you've set up a zone for somewhere, so let's just call it Foxgill. So there's the zone. Takes you straight there on the map. You can right click and you can find the closest asset. And what that's done, in your fleet list here, it's now ordered them with the closest and the distance to that location on the map. Likewise, if it was an address that you had, let's narrow it down. Likewise, you could put a postcode in there. Exactly the same thing. You right click, find closest asset, it thinks about it, and then it lists them in the order. So if you need to send somebody to a job or a delivery or a collection, you're going to be able to allocate the closest vehicle straight away without having to go through all the rigmarole.